What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I just wanted to go over the recent changes to the formula, if you will, that I use to get negative items removed from your credit report. As most of you already know, I was using Metro 2 compliance-based challenges. I've been using that method for over a year now. I have two plans now, a basic plan, which is strictly Metro 2 compliance-based challenges, and then a basic plus, which is Metro 2 compliance, as well as consumer laws and CFPB complaints. Now, one plan is cheaper than the other. We're only using one method. The other one is a little more expensive. We're using three different methods. Now, whichever plan you decide to go with, at the end of the day, we're doing the same thing. What we're doing is we are building a case. And what we're building a case for is the negative information that we are challenging on your behalf. So if you're in the basic package, we're going to send 3 rounds of Metro 2 compliance. Then if we don't get the results that we want, we're going to file complaints with the CFPB. Now, if you are in the Basic Plus program, we are going to send 2 rounds of Metro, 2 rounds of consumer laws, and then file a complaint with the CFPB. Now, I know a lot of people say doing CFPB complaints don't work. It's a waste of time. I've said it myself. One of the main reasons why you're not seeing results when you file complaints with the CFPB is because you don't have a good case. And what I mean by that is you're not giving them enough documentation based off of what you've already done. And most people, they'll just send 1 round of letters and then go straight to the CFPB. If you send 3 or 4 rounds of letters and then go to the CFPB, you've got that much more ammunition to fire off at the CFPB, as well as that many more responses from the bureaus to send to the CFPB showing that they are not doing their job. So again, whichever one you sign up for, both packages work. Obviously, the one that costs more works better. There's more to it. We're not just sending the same types of letters. We're sending two different types of letters. And obviously, consumer laws is the best way. It's better than Metro. It's better than Factual. It's way better than any of the cookie cutter letters that you'll find online. And that's why it works. But again, you've got to build a case before you go to the CFPB. Don't just send 1 round of letters and then go straight to the CFPB. You don't have enough documentation and information to send to the CFPB until you send at least 3, if not 4 rounds. If anybody has questions or would like to set up a consultation, feel free to send me a text message or an email. I'll leave that information in the description of the video. Again, I will be going live tonight. It is Monday. I'll be going live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's all I got for now. I hope you all have a great day.